Hey there and welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. Today we got a review video of Adam's VRT. Let's do it. So before we get this video started, I want to show you guys something I did. I had t-shirts made for the channel. Kind of want to get your guys' input on them. This is mine that I have on. It's black. Actually, I have both, but it's black there. Hopefully you can see it there. But my wife's standing here. She has it in red. So I'm going to show you. Nope, come over here. Way too dark. There's the front. Fab Automotive Detailing. Go ahead, turn around. Hold down straight. There you go. And there is the back. And the back of my shirt looks exactly the same. It's just black with red lettering instead of red with black lettering. So I kind of want to get your guys' input on what you think of the shirts. If it's something that you'd be interested in buying, it's not something I'm trying to make a bunch of money on or anything like that. Just kind of get my channel t-shirts out there. Put that down in the comments and let me know. So we're going to get started here. We're going to try out Adam's Polishes VRT, and I'm going to be honest with you, I did use this yesterday. I did a detail yesterday on a Honda Odyssey and had tons of black trim, and I was sitting there thinking about it. I really didn't want to tape all that off, and I had that 8-bottle bag, and I usually try products on my car first before using them on anybody else's, but I've watched so many videos on the VRT that I believe in the product already before I even used it. So I went ahead and I went around and I put the VRT on all the black trim of the car, so when I waxed the car and I polished the car, the wax didn't turn out white on the rubber, and the polish didn't stick to the rubber. It actually just wiped right off when I got it on there. So we're gonna apply this first on the journey, and we're gonna be using the 8-bottle bag kit. I'm gonna do individual videos, maybe throughout the week. I'm not gonna be able to do it all tonight, but throughout the week, hopefully I can do one video per night and show you guys what all this Adam stuff does. So I'm gonna get set up here and we'll get started. Okay, so the directions are to wash the vehicle, which I already done. Clean heavily stained and oxidized trim with Adam's all-purpose cleaner. I use my own type of cleaner to do that. And an Adam's edgeless utility towel. Squeeze a few drops of VRT onto the Adam's foam block applicator, which is this right here. Spread a thin coat of rubber and plastic trim. Wipe away unwanted residue from paint and glass with a premium Adam's microfiber towel. For interiors, use Adam's interior detailer or leather conditioner. This says it is SPF 35 UV protection. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get it, because when this black trim starts fading, it's really hard to recover it. No solvents or surface drying alcohol. Water-based formula will not leave any oily residue, attract dust or dirt, or sling from tires when driving. I have not tried this on the tires. Water resistant but not waterproof. Easy to reapply. Great for engine bay plastics and hoses. Now I really like that Adam's is honest about it. They don't say it's waterproof and you buy the product and find out 2 weeks later after it rains that it's not waterproof. They're at least honest about their product, and they say it's water resistant but not waterproof, so I really like that. So what I've done is I've taped off a section right here. This is the easiest one for me to show you guys doing right now. And I'm going to coat this side, and then I'll take the tape off. I've got a under hood light right here to kind of brighten it up for you guys. Take the tape off, shut the hood, and show you a 50-50, the side that hasn't been done, the side that has been done. So we're gonna shake it up real good. And here's the block applicator. And we're gonna put a couple dots on it. And if I remember right from yesterday, it doesn't have a specific smell, but it's not a bad smell at all, by any means. It's actually a pretty good smell. It's not a big chemical smell or anything like that. And one thing I've noticed in Camaro time, I've been talking to him on text messages. This stuff works very well, and it's level when you use it. It doesn't look streaky or anything like that. I mean, I really like this so far. As far as longevity, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I guarantee it lasts longer than Back to Black. And it just looks really good. I'll show you guys here in just a second. Okay, it's that simple. Take you guys off of here real quick. and you can already tell how much better that looks. Let me put you guys back on the tripod. I'll leave the camera on. And we'll take the light down so I can shut the hood. Because this is actually what's visible from the outside of the car. There's not nearly as much light here. It's right here. But you can see how nice and level and just a really nice black finish to it. All the way up to here. Now I know I haven't gotten down in here yet, but this is just for this video. Let me see if I can get my camera to work. Probably not, but this side has not been done, and you see how it's, this is a brand new car. It's only got, it's a little less than 4,000 miles. We don't drive it a whole bunch, so it's not faded yet. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get it. Well, I'm gonna shut the camera off, and we're gonna set this up somewhere else in the car, and I'll show you me applying it there. Okay, so there'll be no need to do a 50-50 here. I'm just gonna open the door. Try to hold it open if I can. Put a couple dots on here, just like that. When I'm cleaning A-pillars, or polishing A-pillars, I guess I should say, this is also how I do it. I open the door. That's it. See the difference? And this stuff isn't real shiny when it dries, which is what I like. I like a flat look. I like a factory new look. I know you guys heard me say that a million times probably by now. But look at the difference. Works really well. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna show you up here. I'm gonna have to raise you guys up because when I first got the car, even though it's brand new, I did a total paint correction on it. A complete paint correction and wax and everything, because I'm kind of weird like that, even though it was brand new. I wanted to make sure it had protection on it, and I got a little bit of wax in there. I used Grio's Garage wax remover. It's a little liquid. It works good, but it didn't really get it out of this this rough plastic, texture plastic. So let's see what this does, because this will keep me from getting it back on here ever again. Oh, it looks so nice already. So when I use the Adams buttery wax in the next video you're getting ready to watch, I'm getting ready to make, and you're probably hopefully going to watch, I won't have to worry about this. Just take it right around. Now I did get some on the car, on the paint. I guess I should have had a towel handy. Let me grab one. This is the Adams edgeless utility towel they talk about if you get it on the car. It wipes right off. It's really that simple. I cannot believe how easy this stuff is to use. How nice that looks. I'm gonna go around and finish the whole car, and then I'll do a final video. I'll take it outside and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm really hoping that you guys can see this. It's really sunny out, so I can't tell. But this is not plastic, but it's like a rubber. And I've always had a hard time keeping these things looking nice on this car since I got it. They always get this like white chalky appearance on the top of it. I did it to the other side, and I realized how well it works, so I figured I'd show you guys. And like I said, if you get it on the paint, or you get on the window, like right there, it's all over the window, and it's on the paint. Just take one of their utility towels and it wipes right off. So let me show you. And then we'll go on to final thoughts of the product. See how nice that looks? I'm hoping that the sun's not messing the camera up, but look how dull this is. And look how, I mean, that's just really, really nice looking. All right, let me finish this and then I'll take you around the whole vehicle. Okay, I got all of it on all of my black trim. Stuff looks really, really good. I like it a lot. I've now found my new favorite trim dressing. On the mirrors. Here. Door pillars. Here. My daughter's driving a Power Wheel. That's what that noise is in the background. Stuff works awesome. It's really, really good. Well, that's it for Adams Polishes VRT, vinyl rubber and trim. I also heard people say they put on their tires. I have not done that. I have an Adams Polishes tire shine that I use. Works really, really well on the trim. It goes on easy. It's level. There's no streaking going on. You know, when you rub that block down there or whatever kind of applicator you use, it doesn't streak at all. It's level as soon as you put it on. And it dries not to a bright finish, but more like a satin finish or like a back to a black, the original black color. And it looks really well. And the positive of that is it has an SPF 35 rating to it for the UV rays going down, just like sunscreen you put on yourself, SPF 50 or whatever, same type of thing. And I don't know about longevity or how durable it is. I understand most people say it lasts a week or two. That's fine. My other dressings I usually don't even last that long. So hopefully it does last that long, but it looks really, really good. I'm just sitting here looking at the car and it looks so much better than it ever did before. And I really, really like this product. 2 thumbs up, Adams Polishes on the VRT. I got more videos coming up on Adams Polishes products in the 8-bottle bag kit that I bought. I'm not sure what my next video is gonna be. Either the buttery wax or the brilliant glaze or undercarriage spray or the glass cleaner. I got several videos I got planned coming out with the Adams Polishes stuff. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, hit that little bell so every time I upload a video you get notified, and we will just see you next time.